Well, what I'll do is I will spotlight the owner's phone there, so you should be able to see her front shot right now. And Amy, why don't you do us a favor and kind of pan around the neighborhood from like where you're at and kind of um, show us the street view and the neighborhood. Nice day out. I gotta get outside after this.
Birds are chirping.
Uh-huh. Very cool. Now let's head into the living room. All right, what's pretty cool about this this ranch is it does have a main floor living room and family room. So not all Jenison ranches have that, so it's kind of a perk. While that helps that square footage, and I have that pulled over here, is 1420 on the main, so it's a pretty good size ranch. Amy, refresh our memory again on when what flooring was updated and when.
The carpet in this living room and the carpet in the bedrooms is not updated. The carpet in the back family room and all through the kitchens, bathrooms, laundry is all updated.
Okay, very cool. And there's a coat closet there to the left as you walk in. Yep. Very nice. And let's go check out the kit. Lots of ceiling fans. I think ceiling fans in most rooms.
I think every room, yep.
Okay. So kitchen with newer flooring, newer backsplash. Show them the tile backsplash on that. And the microwave and stove within the last few years.
Microwave within the last 2 years. Stove we got in the fall.
Okay. Dishwasher over there. Lots of countertop space, and then this is that family room on the main floor. So it's kind of the cool part of having two living spaces. And it actually is pretty good size. I think that phone is just making it look narrow. It's a little deceiving.
It is. It's 11 by 15.
Okay, cool. And then you've got the dinette area. I like the slow pans. You're not making us dizzy.
I'm trying not to.
All right. Feel free to unmute if you guys have any questions or want to see something twice. But let's head back. Yeah, you can see the garage now.
It's a 2-stall garage with probably like a 4-foot space on the side and plenty of room in front of our cars.
Definitely one of those 2+, like to say like a 2.5 or 2+ stall garage.
Yep. And then this is a pantry.
So lots of countertops or lots of cabinets, but also a nice little pantry. So that's good. Half bath and laundry right off the kitchen. And this, something you did a lot of this recently.
Yep, this is all within the last year. We started the flooring in bathrooms in spring and ended them in the fall.
Perfect. All right, let's check this bathroom out first, and then
bathroom first.
Yeah. So then here's the full bath on the hallway down to the bedrooms. So this has Show them the nice tile work in the shower. That's something that's really cool too.
Pretty.
You guys did a great job with that.
Thank you.
And this has like the luxury vinyl plank flooring too? Or what type of flooring?
Yep, it's all throughout.
Okay. Nice lighting down the hallway. Didn't notice that last time.
Just, storage closet.
Okay.
This is the master bedroom.
And a couple cool key points in here. That's a king size bed with two full size dressers next to it to give you an idea. Double,
This
two
room,
windows.
it's 13 by 11.
Okay.
17 by 11, I'm sorry.
I was gonna say, yeah, with the king size, it sounds like it'd be bigger than that, but I wasn't gonna.
17, sorry.
And two closets. So that's kind of a key thing too. And that one is that it does have two closets.
And another linen closet.
All right. And this one, what was the dimensions on this room?
12 by 10.
Okay. And
This
that's
is a queen size,
okay.
queen size bed in here.
Okay. Ceiling fan again, and then bedroom 3 on the main.
And this one's 10 by 10.
Okay. Very cool. Let's head to the basement. So there's going to be two more bedrooms down here with legal egress windows and really nice bath down here. So glass shower door, but real good sized family. This will be your third living area. So this is like, you could call it family room and or rec room. So tons of living space. Recessed lights, right? Those are recessed.
Yep.
Big built-in cabinet that obviously stays with, and that's a 55-inch TV to give it some perception. Okay.
Yep, it's about an 4 by 8 space right there. That's open.
Okay. Nice little kitchenette down here. There is a refrigerator. Put the microwave away for now, but there was a microwave down here.
Yep, these cabinets are quite large and they have slide outs. So these ones are just a basic cabinet.
Is that a Formica countertop?
Yes. Yep.
Okay. Looks they make Formica look like hard.
Yeah.
No.
This is the other bedroom. This is also a king size bed.
Okay. Double closets. Lots of light in there too. Those are recessed lights too.
Yep.
Okay. Bedroom number 5. Not lacking for bedroom, that's for sure. This is a cool bath. I like this bathroom. Glass shower door. That brick look is tile, right?
Yes.
Okay. That's actually tile, and then the whole shower is tile.
Yep.
What type of floor did you put in that? I haven't zoomed in. Yeah, it's cool. That's that like river rock. That's I like the drain too. That's a cool look.
Thanks. It's like the waterfall.
Oh yeah, I didn't notice that last time either. And it does have the regular shower head too, though.
Yeah, it does have like a wand. It's hard to see.
Okay, yep.
In there.
Yep.
Yeah, there's a wand in there.
Cool. Nice cabinet. Cool. All right, let's show them the back. Yeah. Oh, we got storage yet. Storage room. And feel free to ask any questions, guys.
Furnace and water heater.
And did you say, I think you said there was an age on the furnace?
I want to say like 7 or 8 years old. I'm not 100% sure on the age of it.
And then 4-ish
The
for
water heater is probably 5.
Okay.
And then the storage goes way back.
Nice.
And
And
then,
yeah. This is underneath that family room off the back.
Oh, nice.
yep. So we just took the carpet from upstairs when we redid it and put it down here because there's cement underneath here to kind of be easier on your knees when you're crawling. It's only about 4 feet high.
Good spot to store stuff, though, for sure.
Yes, I love it. I'm gonna miss that.
And show them in that unfinished area, there's a spot to hook up a second laundry. So you've got the upstairs main floor laundry, and then if you got a teenager downstairs or whatever, and you want to,
Oh,
have
nice.
them, yeah, just an option.
But this one down here is electric, and the one upstairs is gas.
Okay. Nice composite deck out here, so maintenance-free deck.
Beautiful.
Vinyl fencing or railing, vinyl siding as well, maintenance-free. Big backyard, goes all the way back to those trees, right?
The bushes, yep.
Okay. Storage shed is on your property.
Yes.
Okay. I think you said the AC unit was the same as the furnace?
Yep.
Okay, so, okay. All right. That kind of sums up the tour, guys. Is there, do you want to unmute and say you want to see something one more time or ask any questions?
Amy, this is Renee. I'll say something. Beautiful, beautiful showing.
Thank you.
And it's big, very big.
Yeah. Yes, it's much too large for us now.
All right, looks like they might not have any questions. If they do, they'll maybe get with their agent and send them over, but appreciate it. And nice job, Amy, and we'll be in touch.
Thanks, Mark.
All right, see you guys.
Thanks, everyone.